second half of the song, that was crazy. All right, today I'm checking out Man Woman Chainsaw. I'm listening to the song Ode to Clio. Let's get into it.
Sprawled across my kitchen floor, she's on the arms and legs, her limbs like hairs, spread out starfish. I won't take you anymore, this tiny hole left where it was in star shapes, heartache. Betraying me, she likes to shine more than me. A company is easier, so I could tease her like I like. Call her bastard, hypocrite, it's crazy, my lady. Yeah, your risk I'm gonna take. She's the sickly thing you used to hate. All that's left of it, a rocking horse, a wicked witch shit. Do you do when lifetimes fall apart?
See, I kept feeling like this song was going to turn into a banger. I think that's mainly because the song we did from them yesterday, but also it's that intro. That intro they did, it was like a few seconds of like banger, and then it goes to like this relaxing, vibey song, and it's like, well, why'd they do that? Why would they do that on a song that the banger's not going? You know what I mean? It's like a little bit of foreshadowing. So this whole time I'm like, okay, you got this beautiful vibey thing, violin, it sounding all cool and whatnot. I'm like, hey, is it gonna banger? Is it gonna banger? And then when they did go banger, they kind of telegraphed it, so I didn't have to sit here thinking about it the whole time. But yeah, it's nice that they finally got to it.
You're all that's left of it.
They're jamming. Sprawled across the kitchen floor. I won't take you anymore. That was like one of the first lyrics of the song, by the way, too, wasn't it? In the very beginning. And in my head, I was thinking they were going to say sprawled across the kitchen. I'm like, table, say table. Floor, sprawled across the kitchen floor. But it could be the same thing. You know what I'm saying? It could be the same thing. If you know about the kitchen table, you know about the kitchen table, but not everybody knows about the kitchen table. But that second half of the song, That was crazy. The violin with and that's such a cool sounding violin. Like the other day we said what synth violin or something, violin plugged up to something, I don't know. That was crazy sounding. They had like a little feedback sound in there. That second half of the song, definitely banger.
Certified banger.
For sure banger. And then the first half was beautiful. It was beautiful, but you guys remember that intro? That intro is what to me foreshadowed the banger. See? They're like, why did they do that? They did that because they were gonna do it at the end of the song too. That's why.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. Who to go? She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.